Hi, wonderful people. Trust you are doing well. This is Joa. So today I'm going to show you something, okay? All right. So there's this beautiful lake that I love to visit, right? And I decided to video it during different seasons, different times of the day, and put it all together so we all watch it. So that is it. So let's look. Hope you will love it too. Look at this. And they are all unedited. Yes. Look at that. So beautiful. See the clouds. Whoa. That is nature in display. Whoa, look at this. Look at the combination of the colors. Every color is unique and beautiful. And take a look at the reflection. Oh, see the sun over there? See the reflection? That is so beautiful. And look at this. See the movement? See the various colors up there? Look at that. So refreshing. And see this. Whoa. So beautiful. Just admiring it. Just admiring it. It's just so beautiful. And look at this. Yes, another time. Beautiful. Yes. See this? Okay, let me move it here. Look at that. And this was during winter. Everything was frozen. Look at that. You see it? Whoa. That is it. Look at that. So beautiful. Hey guys, do you know I have published some new books? Just go to www.gococobooks.com and grab some. You're going to love them. All right, so you see the stones over there. Oh, and look at this one. Look at that. See how all the colors are matching. Thank you. All right, so that is me, and those are the books. Yes. So just go grab as many as you can. Perfect gift for every occasion. Yes, and that is the website. So you have an awesome day. And always remember that you are amazing.